Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energy, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. I have an oracle guidance coming up after this general guidance, guys. So if you want more clarity, if you have any doubts or some confusion in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch that pick a card reading, guys. So that reading may answer your questions, whatever questions you have in your mind, in your situation, guys. So for your general reading, guys, I have the postulant of stars in reverse, 4 of suns and 2 of moons. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, you are maybe in a situation where someone is trying to increase the problems you have. Maybe they are trying to exaggerate the situation. Maybe they are telling you something that may be a blown up truth of the situation. So they have that, they are in some way trying to make things go against you. So they are using your weakness. Maybe you listen to them. So they are trying to use you in a particular way, trying to misuse your trust you have on them. So you need to be really careful, guys, with that person. But I see that things are changing, guys, maybe. So someone may be talking against you or this relationship or this love you have. You are in a deep love, a deep connection, guys, with a person. So you may be having that attraction, passion and intimacy in this connection, but someone does not like it. So they are spreading rumors about this person you are in connection with, or they are telling you lies about them. So they are telling lies about you to that person or about them to you, trying to separate you both, trying to make you leave this person. So it is not based on truth. It may be something small. They are trying to exaggerate it, making it something huge, trying to separate you both, or trying to end this love you have between each other. So you need to be careful, guys. But I see a good friendship in this connection, and there is a potential for marriage and engagement in this connection, a deep positive relationship. That is what I see, guys. So it may withstand the trials that you are facing in this connection, in this love. And I see good luck is working for you. So these rumors may not have that effect on you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for you all today. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can stay tuned and watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Sagittarius, for your general guidance, guys, today I have 2 cards. It's going to be like a pick a card. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, and it is a general guidance, so it may or may not relate. But the meaning of this guidance card is that maybe in your situation you may have some questions about your circumstances, about the people. So it may give you some clarity, some understanding to make things go in a better way in your day-to-day life, guys. So that is the use of this reading, this guidance. So that is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So after a few seconds of silence, I will start with the first card, guys. So let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So this is your first card. And the card says Al Uzza, Star of Venus. So this is a Rumi card, guys. It's based on poet Rumi's oracle. So it's based on his poetry. So we will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry. Close your eyes to see and become aware of me. Perceive me with eyes that see the unseen. Come into the mystery to find me. I am a carefree visitor here for you. Rumi. So that is the poetry, the few lines with this card, guys. So this card stands for that mighty blessing based on love, and with great blessings great growth is possible. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your situation today, you have to have that trust in your path, guys. Trust in the way things are going, trust in your own evolution, your own growth. So people around you, they may be reacting differently, you may feel differently within yourself. You may have that satisfaction, peace and balance in your life, but people react with fear or discomfort. But you have to have that trust in their path also, because each and every one of us, we have our own path in life, our own unique path, and we do not need to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to just embrace our wisdom, our freedom and our empowerment to grow spiritually in our life. So that is the reading, guys. So what we feel is only for us, because all of us are unique in our own way, and we should not feel judgmental about the other person, because they are also on their path of life and their path is unique, and they are also on the way to that great spiritual growth in life. So we need not feel sad or bad about them. So we have to have that acceptance, and we have to have that feeling of confidence to shine truly and shine brightly in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is this card. The second card, it says no place like home. So that just means we have to be authentic to ourselves, guys. It stands for authenticity, feeling comfortable in our own place. So in our career situation or in our relationship, when we are in love and when that love is reciprocated, we feel safe, comfortable, and we feel familiar with that person. So together we add to that love of that relationship. So when we are in sync, full of love, and when we reciprocate each other's love, respect and caring, we feel safe and secure. The same way in your career situation, when you act in that authentic way, when you act true to your heart's desires, your business choices, your investments, whatever you make, it is based on that truth. and you're ready to accept both success and failure because you have made the decision based on that truth. So, abundance is there to grab for you guys. So, when you work with that authenticity in your heart, you are going to reach success in your life no matter what. So, that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.